So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to look at CQIs, which the assessment will most generally create some opportunities, let's say, for corrective action due to some non-conforming things that you may find during that assessment. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking into the connection between that and how the CQI for effective problem solving can help you in closing those. All right, folks, welcome to Plexus International. Today, what we're going to be talking about is CQIs, but we're going to be dealing with the interconnectedness of things. Because when we work with organizations, one of the things that we see is they do the assessment, they find some areas that, let's say, are a little bit lackluster. And what we then find is they do the correction. There is nothing behind it in terms of real, true prevention. So where there is no real, true prevention, what you end with is correction and a situation where somebody's performance, let's say, because they start performing those corrective checks, may wane if they leave the company because the things that they were doing to protect yourself, they're no longer doing. So if you're doing a CQI assessment, I would highly recommend that you pick up a copy of Effective Problem Solving and that you go through a formal problem solving methodology such as 8D, at least a 5Y to do root cause analysis. And the focus should be on prevention rather than mere correction. So there is a connection between your CQI assessment, your level of effective problem solving, and we do have CQIs that help you with that effective problem solving so that your next assessments get better and better, leading to less and less resource cost for you and your facility. So if you like this one and you want a little bit more on CQIs or effective problem solving, check out plexusintl.com, where we've got the latest and greatest on IATF, AS9100, manufacturing, core tools, and pretty much anything else in the world of manufacturing and systems. All right, we'll see you in the next one.